Unlock the hidden power of volume to confirm your trading decisions and pinpoint precise entry and exit points. Let's dive into how to effectively use volume analysis within TradingView to elevate your trading strategies. First, you need to ensure your volume is visible. Most TradingView charts display volume by default as a series of bars at the bottom. Correlating with each price candle, these bars represent the number of shares or contracts traded during that specific period. Taller bars indicate higher trading activity, while shorter bars show lower activity. Now, let's understand what this volume tells us. When price is rising, indicated by a green or white candle, and is accompanied by a long, tall volume bar. This signals strong buying pressure and conviction behind the move. This is a bullish confirmation, suggesting the upward momentum is likely to continue. Conversely, if price is falling, shown by a red or black candle, and this move is backed by a significant increase in volume, it indicates strong selling pressure and conviction behind the decline. This is a bearish confirmation, suggesting the downward trend is likely to persist. Volume's true power lies in spotting divergences if price is making new highs, but the volume bars are becoming progressively shorter. This suggests declining buying interest. This is a bearish divergence, a strong warning sign that the uptrend might be weakening and a potential reversal could be imminent. Beyond the standard volume bars, TradingView offers powerful volume indicators. One of the most insightful is volume profile. To add it, click the Indicators button, search for Volume Profile, and select it. This indicator displays trading volume at different price levels, highlighting where the most activity occurred. Look for high volume nodes or HVNs, represented by broader bars on the volume profile. These are areas where significant trading took place, and often act as strong support or resistance levels when price approaches an HVN. It's an area to watch closely for potential reactions and trading opportunities. By combining volume analysis with price action, like bullish or bearish engulfing candles on high volume, you can identify stronger potential entry points. Similarly, as price approaches key resistance levels with decreasing volume, it can signal a good opportunity for an exit, especially if a bearish reversal pattern forms on increased volume. Mastering volume analysis in TradingView provides a crucial layer of confirmation for your trading decisions, transforming your ability to identify high-probability setups and navigate the markets with greater confidence. Start practicing with these concepts today.